Can you kindly tell us, kasi meron na naman namatay na PNP na it just was reported to me that a 41-year-old or something na bata yung namatay. So, di ba ka namamatay ng mga PNP natin that because wala naman daw reason, bigla na lang namamatay, basketball, tapos ganun. Can you kindly confirm kung may mga gantong mga issues? Kasi nasa akin yung picture ng namatay .
I'd like to ask the doctor from the health service.
Kasama niya?
Yes.
Sige, can you kindly tell us yung kasi ang mahirap dito kapag ang mga PNP na at mga military na inaapektuhan doon sa excess deaths, dumadami mga namamatay. Ang problem niyan ba yung sa security natin it will may domino effect
Sir, we have no info based on the doctor from the health service. So we still have to get the info on that, sir.
Submit to us rightly kasi andito meron na ito kapadadala lang sa akin kanina umaga namatay daw siya, nagkomatos siya, nagpanyuro siya kahapon tapos suddenly bumagsak, nagkomatos tapos namatay kanina umaga. So young. Well, hindi pa naman sinasabi kung may correlation sa vaccine. But of course, we are being worried kasi yung mga namamatay is so young and active. Yung iba mga athlete pa, biglang natutumba. So, well, we are not trying to say that merong correlation. But of course, nagwo-worry ka lang. Yusek Tayag, please.
Okay. Sir, earlier, the request information on the Attorney Sogilon's question on the members of the NAFIC, we acted on it speedily. So, in-access namin yung FOI website ng DOH. The request was successful. In fact, nakalagay rito, your FOI request is approved. This was dated September 23, 2022, and he can check for it. You're approved. We attached the data on the NAFIC committee members and the list of recommendations
Attorney
in
Aaron,
response to your request.
Kindly, may conflicting views na kayo.
In fact, meron pang rito. Kindly accomplish the FOI request feedback form at this link.
Sige, go ahead, Attorney Aaron.
Hindi ko alam kung yun yung request ko before, Your Honor. Usually, when they answer successful, they answered, but they did not give the data. That's the problem.
So in other words, can you kindly tell us, Yusek Tayag, kung merong data that was sent to them?
Sir, binigay sa kanya.
Sandali.
So you have to check your email.
No. For example, Your Honor, no. So these are the list of the FOI questions that we submitted.
Sige.
All of these are successful, but the answer is we do not gather the information on the vaccine.
Can you kindly submit to us para makita natin and pakita nga natin sa DOH para at least lahat na ng mga questions nyo will be answered back through FOI. Kasi, well, meron silang allegation that they are answering it as well, but, ma'am, yes.
Yes, Attorney Bello. Mr.
Bello,
Chair, incidentally, now that we are on the matter of the FOI, we would just like to report that the FOI portal has been down for the past 3 months, 3 or 4 months, under the reason that it's under maintenance. Yeah, mga 3 months po.
Yeah.
The problem is that one of our volunteers tried to access it. Parang bungi-bungi po yung na-access, no? And then all his previous requests are no longer there. And there are records of requests that are under his name but were not his requests. So I know this is an initiative of the executive department, but we would appreciate if by some reason you could because this is very crucial. This is what allowed the private citizens to gather important information over the past 3 years, and it's no longer accessible as of now. If it's just a technical maintenance, it should not take 3 months.
Ano siya, successful yung successful siya, but the problem is the reply sometimes. We regret to inform you that we do not gather data on this request. Sometimes, ang mga request nila, i-refer ka sa ganun. So, it's part of the freedom of information, I believe, no? But yung complete data of submission to the query, yung ng mga nag-avail, somehow, I think this is a part of their incomplete responsibility. Kung yung mga data is wala sa kanila talaga, o nasa kanila but they're withholding it, well, can go against sa kanila, di ba? But somehow, I think they are answering back but not completely.
Sir, yung
So,
successful kasi doon,
palagi ko, Tony Aaron, I'll give it to them, no, para for the perusal. Okay lang sa inyo?
yes,
You have a copy for this, right?
may record naman po.
Sige, Attorney Aaron.
I think yung successful doon is if they responded or not. Kasi yung partially responded, kung if they answered all the questions, sometimes ang query kasi namin, hindi more than one question. So magiging partially successful yon or not successful pag hindi nag-respond yung agency. So it will be categorized as successful not because they gave the answer but because they responded.